Okay, this is Miss Hanson. I have logged on as Delron, so I can see what's going on with his Canvas page. So I'm clicking on Canvas. Let's see, so math, art, ELA, history. Is this? Okay, so I see that it is not on here. So let me go to inbox. No. So Math 8. So I see his courses aren't in here. Past courses, my groups. Let me see this one. Okay, let me go back to courses. So there's another Math 8. And I see he's still on Miss Pinkston's. So I will try to fix that. If you can see on my end, on my screen, he logs in as it says that he's a person. I'm going to show you what it says on my screen real quick. We'll have to send this video to technology. So this is my screen. I have Hanson Math 8, and then you log into people, and it says that he is, where is he? It says that he is there but inactive. So I will have to kick him out and invite him back, and maybe that will work. I'm going to go ahead and try that.